Alright guys, y'all see it. We got the Yamaha Grizzly 125. This is the automatic. It has the forward, neutral, and reverse lever right here. Nice and dirty. Customer brought in. It's running. She's a runner. But this one here doesn't run very well. It doesn't start, bogs down when it started, and if you're not on the throttle, it won't go. It won't idle at all. It won't do nothing. So, you know they dropped it off to the kids. We're gonna get this baby worked out and send this thing back to the mud hole, you know? Yamaha! Straight to the stall. Alright, y'all. Just finishing up the oil change on this here Grizzly 125. Ready, just a little tune up. Had to put some air up in these tires here. Nice little bite. About to top her off and hit the customer. Alright, y'all. Yamaha Grizzly automatic 125. New fuel line, filter, carburetor, new air filter, oil change, pump the tires up, tighten up this rear brake, let's get a little bit more. How's she feeling?